The 12-hour midnight brisket.
Hey, it's Geeb from Ludi TV. We've already trimmed the brisket. It's about midnight. It's New Year's Eve. And if you want to watch how to trim a brisket, there's plenty of YouTube videos for that. Right now we're going to season it. We're going to season it with these three things. We're going to use the yellow mustard as a binder. We're going to do salt, pepper, garlic from Suckle Busters. We're just doing all Suckle Busters this time since I got it for a Christmas present. So let's do it. We're going to season first with Suckle Busters, salt, pepper, garlic. Well, let's get to it. It's chunky. Get down in there. That's nice. So, the SPG first. Woo! Now we'll do the 1836 beef rub. That is potent, all of it. Oh man, that's so nice. Okay, now we'll do the other side. Mustard base on the other side as well. And then we will season it with the Suckle Busters SPG and the 1836 beef rub. We're at 200 degrees. Well, 160, but we're set at 200 degrees to smoke all night long from midnight till in the morning. We've got 2 in the point, 1 in the flat. We're going to see how it goes with this Suckle Busters. 7 o'clock in the morning. We've had a flame out. Moving on. Vacuumed out the fire pit. Now we're good to go. Smoke on. We're smoking at 225 now since 7 o'clock this morning. It's 11:30, so it's been on for about 11 and a half hours. Look at that. We did not wrap this time, so I wanted to try one without wrapping. So we're getting pretty close. We're sitting about 200 degrees internally. Kind of poked around it with our instant read thermometer, so we're gonna pull it off. My wife's not here, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down so I can get this in some foil. All right, there she is. We're gonna let her rest in this foil for about 1.5 to 2 hours. That's the important part, letting it rest. Our 15-pound brisket has been resting for about, almost 2 hours. Some people will throw it into a cooler and wrap it in towels. I just triple wrap it in some tin foil and then stick it into this turkey pan just to rest in the oven. I don't turn the oven on. I just put it in there to keep the heat. So let's cut it open. My wife got me these disposable cutting boards. It's pretty cool. I've never used it before, but we're gonna use it with this brisket. It's just a roll. Just roll it out. What you need. Our brisket's gonna be bigger than this, and then just see down here. You can just cut it off, and you have a cutting board. Let's open this up. We wrapped it in foil 3 times. Like I said, some people will wrap it in butcher paper, stick it in the cooler, wrap a bunch of towels around it. We just wrap ours in foil 3 or 4 times and then stick it in the oven. Oh, it smells amazing. This is the foil that never ends. Goes on and on, my friend. Some people started foiling, not knowing what it was. close up of that. Oh my. Okay, I cut a little piece off. Look how juicy that is. And you want to cut against the grain. It's really, really tender. You can get a good look at that. Let's try it. That is so good. That's that Suckle Busters, salt, pepper, garlic, and the 1836 beef rub. Which turned out great. Thanks for watching.